everyone. I hope everyone is doing okay over there and keeping yourself safe. I hope you're washing your hands properly and sanitizing it and wearing masks. Everything you're taking care of it which needs to be taken care. Today we are going to introduce our chef who is going to do us the tandoor items and how he's going to make it. Let's go how he's going to do. Check out all the chicken. He's going to go for the tandoori chicken. And the chef is getting ready to make the spices. These are all the spices which the chef is gonna use it for the tandoori chicken. Meet our chef, a tandoor chef. His name is Gladwin. He's gonna show us how to make the tandoori chicken. So let's hear from him.
Okay, today I will show you how to make tandoor chicken and how we marinate the tandoor chicken with our tamarind spices. Okay.
So chef, these are all the spices which we are going to use it, right?
Okay. I will show. I will explain you what are spices we are using for marinate tandoor chicken. This is chili powder, and this one is coriander. This one is cumin, and this is our special tandoori masala, our house spice. It's only we are using in only our restaurant, and this is salt. This one is mustard oil. This one is ginger garlic paste, and this one mixture of yogurt and sour cream. This one is fenugreek leaves.
No.
Today we are using chicken legs for the marination. Now I will show you 4 pieces of chicken how to marinate.
So the chef is going to show with the 4 pieces how we are going to marinate, but in general we do use all this chicken to marinate in the beginning, and the chef is going to make as per the order every time. So let's go ahead. Chef.
First we put some yogurt and sour cream to the chicken. This one spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 other spoon. Chili powder. It's up to your spice here.
It totally depends how much spice you want. The chef is gonna incorporate, but we use a little bit of spices. We cannot make it completely bland over here.
Some coriander powder. Some cumin. And put some tandoori special masala. We are making this in our restaurant. Another spoon. Salt for taste. Then we use some mustard oil. Then we put some fenugreek leaves.
Why we use the fenugreek leaves, chef?
It's a herbal leaf, and we are using the fenugreek for the freshness, and it's a herbal leaves, and it gets a lot of aroma for the tandoori chicken.
So the chef is done with all the spice mixes, and now he's gonna mix everything together.
Now our tandoor chicken marination is almost ready.
So for how long we need to marinate this, chef?
It's minimum 1 hour we must keep like this.
So 1 hour is enough, or is it good to do like a whole day or something?
Actually we are doing the whole day marination here.
Okay.
But if you like to cook
Instantly?
at least you must marinate 1 hour.
Okay. But the flavors will be remaining the same even though we tried to do within 1 hour?
Yeah, we can get the flavors from 1 hour, but at least you do all day marination.
Okay.
It's better for the flavors.
Sure.
We are doing one day marination here. So that's why tandoori chicken is famous here.
So guys, we are doing only just a bit of it, just to show you guys how we are doing. But usually the chef prepares all this chicken together. He marinates all together, and then he keeps it for an entire 1 day for marination, and then he uses it for in the tandoor. So guys, we are here near the tandoor. It is quite hot over here. If you can notice, it's burning. Now the chef is gonna add the tandoori chicken inside that. So let's see how it goes.
Now we are going to put tandoori chicken inside the tandoor.
To tell you guys, it's quite a skill to do this tandoor. It's not that easy, especially in this when during the hot weather and the temperature of the tandoor. It's very hard to stand near the tandoor and do all this job. I should say we really appreciate what he does and how he does. And let's see how he's gonna put it. Now he's going to add it in the tandoor. And how long it takes, chef, for the tandoor to be cooked?
It's almost 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay guys, so we'll see in 15 minutes the tandoor is gonna get done. The chef is gonna close the lid so that it gets cooked properly. Okay guys, it's all done. So the chef is gonna remove it right now. It's been almost more than like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes it's been. So it's all done. See how nice they are done. So we are using this to make heating up to make it as a sizzler properly, how we put it in front of the guests, how we do that. So the first thing is that the chef is going to heat it up now. So it's going to be quite hot. We are getting the peppers ready for the garnishing for the tandoori chicken, which is going to go on our sizzler platter. So let's wait what exactly the chef is going to do. So every preparation is done very detailedly, and it is done by order. Every time whenever we receive an order, we take care of everything like this. So let's see what else the chef is going to do. Okay.
Now we take the scissor from the orange to serve the tandoori chicken.
So guys, it's very hot. So we are doing the cabbage garnish here, which will make the tandoori chicken quite a little bit moist, and all the juices won't go down. So it will be remaining on the cabbage, which will be a little bit going green. So the chef is removing the tandoori chicken now. See guys how fresh it is. So chef, for the tandoori chicken order, how many pieces usually we get, the guests get?
Actually, we are serving 3 leg quarters, 6 pieces.
So 6 to 7 pieces, depends on the size of the... As I said, every time we receive an order, this is how the chef is going to do every single time. So that's the reason we take a little bit time for every order when the preparation is done, so that every preparation is done in the best way.
Now tandoori chicken is ready for serving.
That's nice, chef. The chef is going to sprinkle some butter on them. So now the sizzler is ready for the serve. See guys, it's now
the chicken is ready for serving.
Oh, that's very nice, chef. Check out guys.